Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your Discord theme into dark mode. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your Discord theme into dark mode, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to tap on your Discord profile on the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, next, go to Settings. And here in Settings, I want you to scroll down until you find the Appearance option. And once you've found it, just go and tap it. And here in Appearance, you will now be able to find the Theme option, which is where you can change the theme of your Discord. Just go and tap it. And then right here, you will now be able to see different theme option you can select. So to turn your Discord into dark mode, just select between these two themes. These two themes are both dark mode, but there's a difference that this one is more darker than this, so just select what you prefer between them. And then after that, it's done guys, congratulations, your Discord will now be turned into dark mode. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.